Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use if condition in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, I would like to check which numbers from the list are 10. If I would like to do it, I need to click double time on the cell where I want to insert this condition. Now I need to type equal sign and I need to type here if. Then I open the bracket and I need to type here condition. So if the value from this cell is equal to 10, then right here it is 10. Otherwise, type here it is not 10. So now we need to close the bracket and it is our condition. So it will check if the number from this cell is 10. If it is true, this text will be displayed here, but if it's not true, this text will be displayed. So I press enter now, and how you see it is true, so we have here this one text. So now we need to click on this one cell and we need to press and hold blue box and move cursor down. How you see everywhere we have this one text displayed, it is not 10, because for example 40 is not 10. If you will change it, for example, to 10 and we'll press enter, it will be automatically changed. So in this way you can use if condition in LibreOffice Calc. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.